solar panel is probably about right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2 holes right here, right behind this little beam, so I can use this beam to tie the cables to once they come through. I'm not 100% sure these holes are big enough, but we'll find out. All right, we're back. Well, one of us is back on the roof. So I'm going to run these through. So the way this works is you go through here first, and then basically once you get everything, it's actually going to take a minute. Back up on top of the work trailer. You saw from the previous videos, we're doing a solar panel, 2 solar panels on top of the trailer, to a charge controller inside the trailer, to a battery that then goes to an inverter that I'm going to be able to charge all my cordless battery tools with. And so that's what I want to. That's what I'm trying to do with this trailer. And panels are mounted. I got the wires run through, but I realized that I crossed the wires actually a couple of times, and on the other end I didn't have any way I didn't mark them in any way showing what the positive and negative were. So I'm gonna have to pull them back through and see if I can figure all that out and put them back through properly, because I was gonna hook them up to the charge controller anyway and just see what was, do a trial and error thing, but I decided not to. I'm not 100% sure it won't damage the charge controller. So I'm just going to go ahead and fish them back out, and then I'm going to go ahead and permanently mount this. This is an RV. This piece comes with the RV kit. The wires go through. They got compression fittings on here to make it watertight, and I'm going to be using some quad sealant. We use these on our windows and doors and some roofing actually. I believe it's a urethane based caulk, and it doesn't play. It's very tough, very sticky, and should do a good job of sealing this up. So I'm going to go and pull these wires back through, get them straightened out. I might have to go down a ladder a couple times, figure out where we're at. And I'm sure the camera's blowing around. It's rather windy today, and I don't have a cameraman. So got her sitting on a tripod, and we'll see how it goes. That's probably the only, I guess, complaint I've had so far with these kits. Although there's not a lot as far as the directions. They're not real detailed. There's a lot of stuff on their website. It's Renogy. As I said before, I'm not sponsored by Renogy or anything. I just like their product. And keep going here.
This is deep water.
Alright, so I've located the positive. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull this guy off. So the one that I pulled, the extra insulation off, is positive. Let me make sure I go through this thing now without crossing. Flip this over. Excited about the prospect of being able to always have my cordless batteries charging all the time. That's what this is all about here. And I am definitely pro solar. I like I'm not putting that much weight. There's not a lot of weight on my hand. I would not recommend putting a lot of weight on that. I don't know what these are made of. It might be glass. Seem to be pretty tough. But I don't want to beat them up any more than I have to. That's going to be it. We're going to be done up here on the roof after this. And then we'll be moving down into the trailer. We're actually done up here. I'm going to leave my weight bag on that. I don't know what you call that thing. There's a name for it, I know. Anyway, it's the dinghy. I'm going to leave that on there for, well, at least till I get done messing around with it today. Hopefully I don't forget it. We don't want that flying off on the highway. Alright, we'll see you down in the trailer. Go down there and start deciding where to mount the charge controller and the battery and the inverter. Probably going to mount everything pretty close to the front, although I think I want the chargers and everything more towards the back. So might change my mind because there is a side door right here.